Alright, so I'm going to get straight to the point. Welcome back to Misha's Corner, and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day to lose weight. First up, I have my ginger beet shot. This is what I take, as well as a whole entire 32 ounce of water. I drink a lot of water. You have to drink water. You can't avoid it. Next, I went to the park to do my little walk. Unfortunately, I don't know why I didn't record this on landscape. I guess I just pretty much wanted to enjoy my walk, and so I did it in, this mode, and then I had to edit it for you guys to really see it. So I went to the park and I walked about 2 miles, and then I came home and made my yogurt bowl. Finally, the long-awaited how I put it together. So I already showed you guys what I do to the yogurt. So I put that yogurt mixture in the bottom with some raspberries, bananas, and granola. You can switch up the fruits as much as you want. I don't measure the fruit because, the raspberries are good for me. I do measure the yogurt because I follow the directions on the package, which is 3/4 cup for 160 calories. Now, that I do measure. But fruit, I don't measure. I don't care. We all need fruit. We all need to eat it more. And I did put a half a banana. A full banana in here would just be way too much. You guys know I intermittent fast, which is I skip breakfast. I don't eat it. The only thing I drink is like I said, those shots, because it doesn't trigger your glucose. Anything that has sugar or carbs or anything like that, fats, oils, will trigger your glucose, and then you won't be intermittent fasting at that point. So I do not eat at all. But I do drink a lot of water. You could drink water, you could drink tea, you could drink whatever. This tea right here is mandatory for me every single day is what I drink. This tea right here. It's really, really good. Then, of course, water. Yes, I'm going to keep beating it down until y'all... You have to drink water. Water. For my body weight, the doctor recommended 1.5 gallons. Of course, I can't get to that half yet. These are the vitamins I take every day. Just these 3 right here. These are every single day. Another thing I want to mention, you guys, I'm not just trying to become healthy for weight purposes, but also for my gut purposes, other than a fupa child. I noticed, last year, certain things when I ate it, my stomach would hurt. And it's not just about meat. Even a potato, my stomach would hurt. And I'm just like, what's going on? These vitamins right here, I take once a week. I'm like, what's going on? And it's like, I needed to see what was up with me. And so I had to switch things up. I researched intermittent fasting, and it just did wonders for my body. Yes, I care that I'm losing weight, but in the long run, I'm happy that I'm feeling better. I'm not in pain, And so this is what I had for dinner, one of my meal preps. I just put this video up, so make sure you guys check it out. It's salmon, sauteed spinach, and beautiful purple potatoes. So delicious. So after that, around 6:30, I had these mandarins because I snack a lot, and my snack of choice these days is fruit. Yeah, so I snack on fruit and things like that. I also, like around 7 p.m. or so, I'll make some tea. And for dessert, I'll have like a mandarin ball, a couple mandarin balls. Trust and believe, I would prefer pies and cakes and, cinnamon buns. Trust me, it's very hard. This diet is I don't even want to call it a diet, but yeah, it's a diet. It's very hard. But I did what I had to do for my own health. So, all right, so I'm going to put y'all in my business just for a little bit. Y'all know I don't like doing this stuff, but, So I went to the doctor around the holiday season last year, and I just wasn't feeling good, you guys. I had a terrible headache. I got to the doctor, and he actually wanted to send me to the emergency room, but I refused. The reason why I refused, number one, I was not vaccinated. And yet, I wasn't fully vaccinated yet. And I was scared because down here, again, the hospitals were out of control. Anyway, about 24 to 36 hours later, after intermittent fasting, drinking hella water, of course, the blood pressure medication and everything, it came down to this. His whole thing is he didn't want to immediately just drag it down because that could also be detrimental to my health. About 5 days later, this is what my blood pressure looked like. Again, I started walking immediately, y'all, because it scared the crap out of me. I immediately got on it, like immediately. And this was my blood pressure 5 days later. I don't know it all. I'm not a doctor. I'm just doing everything he told me to do and taking the medication, walking, drinking, intermittent fasting, and cut out a lot out of my diet. This is what my blood pressure look like these days. It stays around the 125 and around, the lowest it's ever been on top is 119, I guess. And that's, pretty good for me because I have, hypertension. I'm a high blood pressure person, patient. But yeah, this is why I've been MIA. I'm taking care of myself, and I'm sorry y'all miss me on lives and things like that, and I'll be back soon. But life happens, just like everyone else. If you guys want me to do more videos like this one and explain more in depth about my blood pressure, just let me know down below. Please, hopefully y'all don't come with the judging and all of that, because all I'm gonna do is block you. I don't go back and forth with people, but all suggestions or anything like that is completely welcome. Another thing, this is not a diet channel and will never be a diet channel. I'm on a diet. This channel is not on a diet. Hopefully you guys can get that and understand that the difference between content and me just showing you guys an inside look of my lifestyle. No shade, no tea, no offense, okay? Love you guys. Bye.